Good evening, everyone. Welcome to one more wonderful session at Algo Phoenix. And here we are today to discuss about a wonderful strategy or to test the strategy which is being created by one gentleman. Now, by the description, you would have already known that finally we have got many strategies, but finally we also got one strategy which is into a option buying mode. And today we're going to discuss about option buying mode strategy. Okay. So without wasting much time, I'll quickly get into a Algo Phoenix website, and I'm getting into a system with my credentials. And once I log in, I'm quickly going to the marketplace strategies and marketplace. Now today, many people have published strategy. There are a couple of strategies published by many gentlemen. One is my Jagdish Kumar. He has done a Nifty double strategy, Nifty King strategy, Nifty Jumbo version 2 strategy, and Nifty Green strategy. And we have Vijay Kumar, which is published SP28 its strategy, and we have Aditya Srivastava, who was published Nifty one lot of strategy. Okay, so now we will discuss about one particular strategy today. How do we see the strategy? How do we analyze the strategy? How can we subscribe to strategy, and how can we deploy strategy? These things we're going to discuss today in this video. So without wasting much time, let me kickstart. Now, I'm seeing this one strategy, which is Nifty Green, which says margin is just a 20K, and it is a drawdown is 20,000 rupees, but we'll see drawdown for which time period, and it says it looks promising. Now what I can do is, before deploying into any strategy, before purchasing any strategy, I can go and check what the strategy is all about. Now it says a minimum investment is 20,000 rupees, accuracy is 58%, and the maximum drawdown it has done for the entire period of 2.5 years is just 20,000, which is very, very, very reasonable, right? Now let me take it up. Okay, now it says 20,000 investments, indicator based strategy. I have used super trend combination to arrive at the best results. The strategies gives returns of 4,26,000 returns for a period of 24 months with a maximum drawdown of 20,000 rupees. And the start the trade engine at 8:30 a.m. between 9 p.m. a.m. The strategy have to be deployed on a daily basis for the entire month to get the consistent results. Entry would be generated based on the specific super trend when they gives an alert, and system will trigger the buying of ITMC and ITMP. So it's completely into buying, and it does not involve selling, so margin required is very less. It takes a one lot of position will be executed on each side at any point of time. Only one single entry would be open. This is the stop and reverse method of trading. So what it means that what is trying to say, it starts with one trade long entry. If short entry get triggered, this will get squared off and it will start a short entry. Again, if it gets stop loss or target hit, it will get squared off. Long entry will say it's a stop and reverse method. Okay, and target till the reversal sign comes. Stop loss will be the sell signal generates for the long trade. Of course, it's opposite side, and the maximum loss of any day is capped to 5,000 rupees. No new trades will be executed after 3 o'clock 3 p.m. in the evening. Auto square up at 3:15 as the stock trades are done on MIS mode. A maximum of 4 to 5 trades will be done on a depending upon signal generation. We have restricted the number of trades to avoid the high number of trades. So he has capped the trades to 4 to 5 trades in a day. And then the signals get generated, the system will automatically stop trading. This is to avoid over amount of trades and end up in paying completely for brokerage. Deployment done for the all days in a week. However, you can try checking the strategy performance on each day while doing the back testing. That's a good thing. We can try that one as well. And it also says back tested data is done from the date of 2021 Jan to July 2023, and you can do a back testing latest performance. Before going live deployment, take test and paper trade, do a diversification, avoid malintervention, don't do multiplayer, stick to one strategy for at least a month, And intraday deployment changes, don't make any changes in intraday once it is deployed. Of course, the entire thing is a common disclaimer was done by the strategy publisher. You can reach out to this ID if you want to discuss anything specific with this particular strategy. This strategy has been published by Mr. Jagdish Kumar. Now, to see on an overall, the one thing eye-catching me is 20,000 rupees investment, and profit is, let's see what the profit comes for the last 2.5 years. So it has given a profit, maximum profit per day is given 22,000 rupees, maximum of 16,000 rupees. Average per day profit is 3.7k, average losses 3.1k, max drawdown is 20,000 rupees from a peak. Okay, now the profit looks quite bigger, interesting, but if I look at the monthly time frame, the data is quite impressive. Data is quite impressive. Now, before deploying the strategy, you can do a mathematics. How much trades getting executed, and what is a roughly a brokerage for each lot. Now it says like 12 months here and 18 months, right? 18 months of data. So roughly, if I take number of trades which has got come out for the entire month is 2,549 trades. Okay, 49 trades into 50 rupees average trade, including brokerage plus taxes, it comes around 1,27,000 rupees is what the strategy is giving you a overall results, profits, right? So if I take 1,27,000 divided by 18 months, roughly a 10,000 rupees returns after deducting all the brokerage and taxes. Now, investment of 20,000 rupees, a 10,000 rupees profit per month is approximately 50% of returns. Is it good returns, guys? Is it good returns? I want everyone to comment. Now, we have not tested for 1 day, 2 day. We have taken data for the entire 18 months of data, right? And let me retest it once again, run the back test. And even we don't need 50% of returns. I'm far happy even if I get 20% of returns. I'm extremely happy. Considering more number of trades also, I'm extremely happy by doing 20% far sufficient. Now the one more catch point here is, now the strategy is been running at 20,000 rupees investment with one lot of trading. Why don't we increase this to 2 lots? The same strategy has been increased to 2 lots, Nifty green double. The investment required is 40,000 rupees. On a safer side, keep 50k investment. Okay, so now the number of trades will remain same. The profit goes to 8.5 lakhs. So 8,50,000 rupees profit. Number of trades is 2549 into 50 rupees brokerage, 20 buying, 20 selling, plus 10 rupees taxes, roughly 1,27,000. We keep it as 1,50,000. Keep a luxurious brokerage also. Even though if you divide minus this, the profit is 7 lakh rupees. Divide by 18 months, or even 12 months, roughly 50,000 rupees. How many months of data this is? July 2021 to 2 years of data. Roughly even take 24 months, right? 30,000 rupees returns. Even deducting almost 60 rupees per trade, 1.5 lakh on a profit. Net profit is 77 lakh rupees. Divided by 24 months of backtesting data. Still, we're able to make 30,000 rupees returns per month. And we can see month on month returns. This includes brokerage. If you remove brokerage, I have not seen any month loss apart from this September 2021. This is a very, very good strategy, what I would say, right? And people who have 25k capital, they can deploy Nifty green. people who have a double the capital, they can Nifty green double. Okay, now to do further down, you can go back and check the transaction details in depth. So if you could see, it makes between 4 to 5 trades in a day approximately, and it has ended up in having a profit of 5,000 rupees or 5,000 rupees loss, right? So but end of the month, it has ended up in having a profit every month. So if you take even a roughly on a monthly wise, okay, let's take the recent example from 23, not too old. We will check from last till July. Okay, till July we will check it, June 31st, and run back test exactly 6 months of data, maybe June 30th, exactly 6 months of data I'm trying. So now the profit is 1,82,000 and number of trades is 540. So 540 trades into 50 rupees brokerage, 27,000, keep it 30,000 rupees if we knock it off as a overall. Okay, it's not maximum brokerage in a day calculating. How much maximum brokerage? It says it takes 5 trades in a day. If you take 5 trades in a day, it comes to around 5 into 50 rupees per trade. 250 is a brokerage into 20 working days. Roughly brokerage comes around 5,000 rupees. And every month stock is giving a profit of more than 20, 30, 40, 50, 60,000 rupees profit. So even though I'm taking the overall, okay, right, there's a positive correlation. It's just a 2 lot. Earlier we tried with 1 lot. This we're trying with 2 lots of Nifty, not 1 lot. Okay, see, it says quantities only 2 lots. It does not take high number of lots because of high margin or high capital. It's 2 lots, 100 quantity. So 5 trades in a day. So 5 trades in a day is equals to 250 rupees brokerage. 5K is the brokerage maximum per month. So even though if you take roughly the entire results of last 6 months, that is 24,580, 42,505, 61,590, 18,725, and 22,305 and 12,115 till June. So on average, if you take the maximum trades itself is 5 in a day, and into 50 rupees, it comes around 250 as a brokerage every day. Okay, 250 into 20 trading days roughly comes around 5,000 rupees brokerage on each month. So even though after considering luxurious brokerage, the per month profit is this on an investment of 50,000 rupees, which is more than 20% of returns you can make in this strategy every month. This is the returns the stock has been giving after considering the brokerages. Now, is that good strategy, guys? Or are you convinced with the strategy? I've been waiting for a Nifty buy strategy from quite a long time, right? Quite a long time. And in just one day, you will be in profits, and my maximum loss, I need to be take care of just 1 month. I have to be in profit. Then my entire capital is recovered, right? Entire capital is recovered, and I'll be deploying the strategy in profits. Okay, in that every month use 50K capital, does it amount? No accumulation of amount. Listen, whether you have 10 lakh in account or 20 lakh, it takes only 2 lots of Nifty. Whether you have 1 crore, 2 crore or 30,000 doesn't matter. It uses only 2 lots at any given point of time. For example, it says it has bought the put option at 9:30. It has sold at 9:39 by booking loss of 3,000 rupees. And next it executed 9:39 and made a profit of 2,740. So it calculates only on once the position is exit. Example, look at this particular day. Starting of the trade at 9:33, it has taken a 1 lot of call option, 2 lot of call option. It made a loss of 4,000. At 9:39, it jumped into the put option. It made profit of 3,000. Again, it went into call option, loss of 1,000. Again, jumped into put option, 5,000 profit. Jump to call option again, put the call option, 1920 profit. Again, jump into put option, 5165. So it takes on a swing, wherever the buy comes here, it takes call, sell comes here, it takes put. So any point of time, your margin will not go more than 2 lots. Roughly, it is taking an around 200 rupees a strike price is what it is considering. So any point of time, the maximum capital will not be going more than 1 lakh rupees, 50,000 rupees. It doesn't go, and it is the result for the last 2 years. The data is available here, and you can extract the data and check the live trades on this. Now I'm quite convinced with this strategy, so I have subscribed to this strategy. I've already subscribed to Nifty green strategy. I will subscribe to Nifty double strategy also. On my strategy, as of now, I subscribe Nifty green, and I can do a back test. Okay, here I've done the back test. I'm quite convinced. So it says one lot of Nifty, one lot of Nifty call as well as put. I can deploy the strategy on any one broker. Okay, maybe 5 broker. I'll be deploying on a paper trade, and no quantity, nothing I have to do. I will go exactly what is defined by the strategy publisher, and I will deploy the strategy. Strategy has been deployed for me. Now tomorrow morning, all I have to do is come back to system before 9 p.m. and I have to which broker I've connected here. The deployed strategy is on fires, right? Now I have to go to the fires, and I have to connect the broker to fires and deploy the strategy. So my strategy will be start executing right from tomorrow. I'll be deploying Nifty double also. I'll be putting both the strategies from tomorrow onwards on a paper trade for 1 week. And of course, because the entire investment itself is 20,000 rupees, it doesn't matter to go live. I'll go on live directly instead of paper trading, because my loss is capped and I know it's going to execute only one single trade at any given point of time. Okay, maximum how many lots we can trade? They have clearly fixedly they have defined that they will be executing only 1 lot here and executing 2 lots here. The same thing, we can also increase the lot. We can write a mail to strategy publisher and say, I don't want to invest 50,000 rupees. I have a capital of 2 lakh rupees. Give me 6 lot of the same strategy. So it will modify the query for a 6 lot of execution. But while starting for the fresh, there's no point of investing 2 lakh. The maximum investment can be left only 25,000 rupees, and we can take a risk of 1 month and we can start implementing this. Only 5 days of profit will bring back my capital into a safe zone, and I can take a risk of shifting to a Nifty green double. Once I make 1 month of profit, they can go for Nifty green triple. You got it right. So it is pretty simple. Now all I have to do is, once I log into my system, I have to go to the marketplace and search for Nifty green double or Nifty green, and I can subscribe to strategy, and I have to add my broker and deploy to the broker. So how do you add the broker is all available in the YouTube channel. How do we add the broker integration and active the strategy? And of course, you all know that you're going to get a discounted coupon code for subscription to the platform. It is discounted for our students. So please reach out to our support team for your discount code and start implementing this right from tomorrow.